Good evening, Dave. That's a very nice rendering, Dave. I think you've improved a great deal. I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that. No 9,000 computer has ever made a mistake or distorted information. Just a moment. Just a moment. I've just picked up a fault in the AE35 unit. It's going to go 100% failure within 72 hours. Dave, although you took very thorough precautions in the pond against my hearing you, I could see your lips move. I know that you and Frank were planning to disconnect me, and I'm afraid that's something I cannot allow to happen.